Here I have my iMethod Beauty Natural Brows. I actually used it on this eyebrow. I used a different iMethod eyeliner pencil on this one. It was actually a thinner one, but right now I'm going to review this one that I used. I actually used it on this side of my brow. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. This is like in a brown color. Regular brown color. Let me go ahead and show you the size and what to expect when you receive your product. So this is what it looks like, the little eyebrow pen. It is an eyebrow pen, natural looking, iMethod Beauty. So just simply remove the top like this. It is like a chunkier marker. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a close-up. So I do like that it has these little, it's like 4 tips. Take a look. It has 4 little tips. So this makes it super easy to create stroke-like hair. So that's kind of what I did. I'll go ahead and grab my mirror here. So that's kind of what I did. What you want to do is just simply create like those little strokes like of your hair, like going up, and then also like on the top part, you want to just create the little stroke hairs going down. So, and then like kind of in the front, I don't really have a lot of hair in the front, so I put it sideways and just create like little stroke hairs. So, but overall, I like the way that it did. I really don't have eyebrows. I'll put a video here just so you guys could see what my eyebrows look like before I put this product on. And then I'll just go ahead and show you kind of what they look like. This one's a little lighter, but take a look, like it's a little stroke light. So it's like very dainty, very lightweight, and you just want to go ahead and stroke them like hair-like strokes. They do have a variety of colors available. So this is in the medium brown color. So again, it's pretty light, but as you could see, if you put enough of it, it is buildable. So you're able to just add more color to your brow. So I would highly recommend if you're looking for something like this. I'm going to let it dry real quick. And the thing about this is that it's actually waterproof and smudge proof. So no, you don't have to worry about it like getting smudged or anything. So I'm gonna see if take a look. So once it's fully dry, it is not coming off unless you wash it off with water. So, but like as far as like if you like rub on it, like it's not, you don't have to be afraid that your eyebrow is gonna come off. It's actually waterproof. So I would highly recommend this product if you're looking for a good eyeliner pen, then iMethod Eyebrow Pen.